Hello everybody, Carolina Tony, coming to you from the thick, dark woods outside of the city of Atlanta, Georgia. And we are here at the head of the Doll Head Trail. First of all, I want to thank you all for stopping by my channel. If you enjoy this, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Tell your family and friends about it. Not going to do a whole lot of talking in this video. It's going to be quiet and let you form your own opinions. But right after the station identification. I have walked to what seems like miles through these briar, snake-infested woods. And look up ahead. Here's a sign. Let's see what it says. Follow the red brick dust trail until further instructed. Watch out for poison ivy. Leaves of 3, let them be. Let's go. Mr. Sound Engineer, cue the creepy music. Again, we ask folks to please not bring in items from the outside our park. Dolls, modern trash, etc. Doing so is littering, creating more work. Fun facts, kids, this is a mock-up of a device into a snitch would drop a dime. Don't get tripped by a fake noose. Dawhead Trail Loop. Bob around clockwise to see the trail as designed. Please add to the trail only items found in the park. Modern toys and trash will be removed. Keep it kid friendly. Hey, someone left chalk. I've got an idea. Hey. In my travels, I've been to some really weird and strange places. I'm gonna have to put this on the list of the top 10 most weird and strangest. It's been very interesting. The sun's beginning to go down, and I am going to get my big old tail out of these woods. But for now, y'all have a good day.